Since January 2019, Ohio has allowed residents with certain medical conditions to buy marijuana products, such as cookies and gummies.
These and other goods have generated nearly $725 million in sales and tens of millions in taxes for the state. Well, now a campaign is well underway to legalize the recreational use of marijuana.
Mark Namick looks inside the industry behind that effort and those lining up against it.
Ohio's program has matured pretty quickly. I'm very impressed at how much it's grown as far as patient access goes, recommending physician, and products available.
Kate Nelson, a marijuana cultivator with Acreage Holdings in Middlefield, Ohio.
This is really where the magic happens.
Working on plants and products here for years.
Hi, kitchen crew. This is where we currently produce Botanist's gummies. We've got some cocoa bites, which are chocolate, some cookies. So gummies are certainly it. And we have our red raspberry and our key lime gummies continue to be kind of the fan favorites in this program.
She's among the industry leaders backing the campaign to legalize the use of recreational marijuana. The campaign collected enough voter signatures to force lawmakers to accept its plan or pass an amended version. If they don't within the next few months, the proposal could end up before voters in November.
We continue to be hopeful that the legislature will act on what we think is an issue that's popular among Ohio voters.
Attorney Tom Herron leads the campaign.
From our standpoint, it's really about just recognizing the reality and removing the criminal penalties for conducts that, thousands of Ohioans are already engaging in.
Hi, packing team. They're weighing everything out, labeling it, and making sure that it is good to go before it would head out to a dispensary.
Medical marijuana sales fell short of initial projections, now going strong.
Automation is now coming to cannabis. We're starting to see for the first time examples of large-scale automation, and this piece of equipment is exactly that.
Though the Republican-led legislature passed a medical marijuana law, it doesn't favor recreational use. And a Christian public policy group and others have launched a campaign against the proposal, arguing it will lead to wider drug use and to an increase in car accidents. The industry pushing back.
You might remember all of the boogeymen that were supposed to show up 6 years ago. None of them have shown up, right? We've been able to effectively regulate, prevent diversion, prevent access to children. All of those things that proponents said we would be able to do, we've done.
Governor Mike DeWine opposes recreational use. Democratic gubernatorial candidates Nan Whaley and John Cranley favored legalization. Cranley promoting his own pot plan on the campaign trail.
Mike DeWine believes that marijuana should be a crime. I think it should be a business.
So this is the greenhouse. You can see they've actually started to do some harvesting already.
Cultivators say they've already proved themselves.
So now we have a track record. We are building on an existing framework that is operating well and can easily be transitioned into the next step along the same lines as 18 other states.
Mark Namick, 3 News.
And lawmakers have until the end of May to act on the proposal before the campaign can begin collecting more voter signatures to put it on the November ballot.